From travel to entertainment to work requirements, the demand for COVID-19 tests ramping up tonight, but getting a test in St. Louis now proving to not be so easy. The quest for a COVID test has screenings booking up. Clinics and hospitals are getting overwhelmed. I want to thank you for joining us. I'm Corey Stark.
And I'm Paige HULSEY in for Samantha Jones. We have been hearing from you about these delays and roadblocks. And tonight, News 4 is watching out for you, asking where should you turn when you need that test? News 4's Gabriella Vidal got answers.
They're on hand. Whenever I run low, I'll reorder. But I haven't ran low at all yet.
RECITA Mitchell is a CPR and phlebotomy instructor at RCM Mobile Laboratories, LLC. Now she's also taking on a new role, providing COVID-19 tests as demand for testing increases across the region.
For the people that don't want to be vaccinated like that, they have the option to show that they're COVID-free. So they can travel or, still live their lives in a sense.
Mitchell was approached by a COVID-19 testing supplier to offer drive-through PCR testing at her facility and plans to target her shipment to local employers or anyone now needing a negative test, be it for employment or attending events.
Certainly, as we've seen more venues and events that are taking place that occur that require a PCR test or some sort of test that is done if you're not vaccinated, the key to this is to get vaccinated.
Dr. Steve Lawrence with Washington University and Barnes Jewish Hospital says the demand for COVID-19 tests is impacting ER wait times in the St. Louis metro region, which is why they're stressing for people to look for alternative locations like pharmacies, local healthcare providers, or even the county health department. But it's important not to wait to the last minute to schedule a test.
And the more demand there is, the more there will be a lag. And we could run into testing supply shortages. So I would recommend that if you have something that's a requirement, that you really be looking at getting yourself an appointment. Look 24 to 48 hours out. Most places do have about a 24-hour lag in getting the results.
Despite some increasing demand, the St. Louis County Department of Public Health does not anticipate bringing back large-scale testing sites as seen in the past.
I do think as we see how schools proceed and some of the other things begin to roll forward, whether there is some mass testing, but I'm not sure that will work well for like a school or a workplace type of environment. I think testing is going to have to get a bit more easy and casual and everywhere.
Gabriella Vidal, News 4.